Can a youth program or summer camp be sued for sexual abuse of a child? They said the camp had a strict safety policy. Then your child came home and told you what really happened. Youth programs, summer camps, after-school programs, mentorship organizations, scouting programs, and residential youth programs are settings where children are often away from their parents' direct supervision in the care of adults the family has been encouraged to trust. When those settings fail to protect children, the institutional liability is significant. The legal framework for holding youth organizations accountable for sexual abuse follows the same basic principles as other institutional abuse cases. The organization had a duty to protect the children in its care. The organization failed to meet that duty through inadequate screening, supervision, or response to warning signs, and a child was harmed as a result of that failure. According to data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, sexual abuse is one of the adverse childhood experiences, ACEs, with the most documented long-term health consequences. Research consistently documents associations between childhood sexual abuse and elevated rates of depression, PTSD, substance use disorders, and physical health conditions in adulthood. Here is something families often do not know. Many youth organizations, including national scouting organizations, national youth sports associations, and large camp networks, have faced significant institutional sexual abuse litigation. The Boy Scouts of America bankruptcy and related claims process, for example, identified tens of thousands of survivor claims. These proceedings establish that institutional liability is real, recognized, and consequential. Statutes of limitations for childhood sexual abuse cases have been reformed in many jurisdictions in recent years, with extended deadlines and look-back windows specifically because survivors of childhood abuse often are not in a position to come forward until well into adulthood. Our firm has handled youth program abuse cases for decades. If your child was abused in a youth program or camp setting, please call us. The path to accountability begins with one confidential conversation. We offer 100% free consultations by calling 855-566-3752, or you can visit us online at www.sjslawyer.com.